Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase savings rate with Wealthfront detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase your savings rate with Wealthfront, start by creating an account. Visit the Wealthfront website or download the mobile app. Click on the Get Started button to begin the account setup process. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Complete the personal information section, including your name and address. Verify your identity by uploading a valid ID. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to Wealthfront. Select the bank account you want to connect for transfers. Follow the prompts to securely link your chosen bank account. Now that your account is linked, assess your current savings goals. Take time to define your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Consider setting specific targets for savings, such as an emergency fund or a vacation. Next, determine how much money you can allocate towards savings each month. Review your current budget to identify areas where you can cut expenses. Use the Wealthfront app's budgeting tools to adjust your spending. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to Wealthfront. Choose the frequency of these transfers, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This will help you build a consistent saving habit. Explore Wealthfront's investment options to maximize your returns. Review their portfolio suggestions that align with your risk tolerance. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio for better growth potential. Adjust your investment settings to align with your financial goals. Utilize Wealthfront's financial planning feature to track your progress. This tool can help you visualize your savings journey over time. Review your financial plan regularly and adjust it as your goals change. Engage with webinars or educational resources provided by Wealthfront. This will keep you informed about best savings practices and investment strategies. Take full advantage of any additional features Wealthfront offers, such as tax loss harvesting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.